What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got a crew cab, mega cab, my bad. We got a mega cab Dodge Ram all the way from Taos, New Mexico. Here at Rob's Customs, he wants a panoramic install, Dodge Ram panoramic install. Customer brought everything that I need. This truck is badass. It's a Laramie. It's gonna even look even better once we put that panoramic on. But yeah, customer brought everything. Everything is in the back. We'll check out the truck and then we'll check everything out as we start unloading. This could be a good ass build. I do want the roof repainted, so hopefully we get time, good weather, we can repaint the roof and go from there. Let's check it out. Check it out, guys. Customer brought everything. He actually brought the whole rooftop cut off from the pillars. The panoramic is still bolted onto the roof. He brought the headliner. Excuse me. Mega cab. This thing is badass. He even provided his own headliner. It would have been nice if he would have went with a black suede and then painted his plastics. His whole interior is blacked out. But yeah, this thing is insane. This thing is badass. This one does have the speakers up on top. He did bring another headliner. We're gonna see what we can do with these speakers. Hopefully they won't be in the way. If not, we'll just have to relocate them. Check it out, guys. They have the whole roof. Customer provided. We're gonna take the panoramic off. We have the whole interior stripped out. Sick. Check out the truck. We're starting to remove the headliner, but they're all stripped out. Sick. Alright, we'll finish taking the headliner off. Take a break. Check it out. Alright, guys, check it out. Here's where we are with the headliner. Headliner's been cut out. This Ram did have the speakers on the headliner, so we just moved them to the side back here, because pretty much there ain't no other way to put these, keep these in place. Alright, guys, we back with the Dodge Ram. I just got it back from the other shop that wired it up. Check it out. It's looking good. Everything's powered up. We did throw in the back seat and the driver's seat. Still missing the console and the passenger seat. But you can see the top of the sunroof's open. I'm working on the headliner right now. Check it out. I just wrapped it. It's got the speakers cut out on here. I put them on this side. And then it has a little cover that pops right in place. Right here. Pops right in here. It's gonna look like OEM. There she is, all wrapped up. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and make sure all the wiring is good on top. Disconnect the console. That way I can install the headliner. And then we can finally start putting all the parts back in. Once the headliner goes in, I can put the console and then the seat and then all the plastics back on. And then the last thing will be cutting the hole here for the glass. Remember, it does have the factory trim that we did cut out, so it's gonna give it a real OEM look. Because we're gonna tuck it right underneath that trim that we cut out from the other headliner. So we're almost there, guys. Almost there. And then after all that's all said and done, I'm gonna wash it, and then I'm gonna paint the roof is the last thing. Alright guys, final video of the Ram. I did not have a chance to paint the roof, so customer's gonna come pick it up. Check out the inside.